Spending too much time manually reviewing legal documents? Learn how to get an AI-generated summary on LegalZoom in under 5 minutes. I'll walk you through navigating to the document review tool, uploading your file, and interpreting the AI summary, step by step. All right, start by going to the LegalZoom homepage. Then, once there, find the left sidebar and click on Attorneys. Now click on Review Document, and then choose the file you'd like to review from your computer. Now, wait for the AI to generate a summary of your document. Review the summary. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.